Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add and remove floating shutter button in camera. In the beginning, let's enter camera and go to settings. As you can see, unfortunately in this phone we don't have floating shutter button function, but we've got focus and shoot, so let's enable it. And now, thanks to that, you'll be able to take photos just by pressing the screen. To disable this function, I can go to settings and disable focus and shoot. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.